So everybody, this is the current state of my under the sink cabinet. You can see we have a recycling bin. It's not great. I kind of have to reach in there to put any trash in there. If I want anything from back here, I need to kind of reach out and pull stuff out of the way. Again, not the most ideal setup I have, but let's see if we can change that with the under the sink organizer. This organizer could not be any easier to put together. It's basically putting in these two rods right there, hanging the upper basket there, putting in the mats on each of the two wire racks, and that's it. No screws, no tools. It's that easy to put together. Look, just a moment ago, and voila, here it is. Looks way more organized. Putting these two together probably took less time than you would take watching this video. That's how quick it is. And now I have access to my recycling bin sliding out, and I have access to all the stuff I need to in this little slide out area too as well. And not only is it functional, it's also pleasing to the eye to just have a way more organized under the sink cabinet.